Namaskar. Welcome back to my channel at Cloud9 #Manisha Sarkar. We took a train from Cairo and reached Aswan. At Aswan, we boarded a cruise which was just like a very good hotel. And our sailing on the great Nile River started. It was just like a dream come true. And it was a fantastic feeling to float on the great Nile River. Room provided in the cruise was very cozy and food was fabulous. So many varieties were there that we couldn't complete exploring all the items properly. The temple of Philae is built in the honor of goddess Isis and was the last temple built in classical Egyptian style. Philae Island is situated in the Nile River between the Old Aswan Dam and the Aswan High Dam in Aswan, southern Egypt. The whole Philae temple complex was moved from its original place to its new location on Angelica Island after flooding of Nasser Lake. The famous and beautiful temple of Kom Ombo is situated in the agricultural town Kom Ombo in Aswan of Upper Egypt. It's a twin temple. One temple is dedicated to Sebek or the crocodile god and the other to Heriodes or the bird god. The temple of Edfu is an Egyptian temple located on the west bank of the Nile in Edfu, Upper Egypt, and is the most completely preserved temple in Egypt. The granite statue of falcon god Horus stands in the court of Edfu temple at the entrance. The remnant of one of 7 small step pyramids built along the Nile Valley is situated about 5 kilometers south of Edfu. We hired a motorboat and sailed across the Nile. There, on the other bank, we visited Nubian villages. Villagers are very simple. They offered us tea and coffee. And to our astonishment, we saw they keep crocodiles as pet and worship them as god. Villages and surrounding nature was really picturesque. So beautiful. We'll never forget Nile. The complex of Abu Simbel Temple is part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Abu Simbel temples are 2 huge and spectacular rock-cut temples, namely the Great Temple and the Small Temple, or the Temple of Nefertari. These temples are in Abu Simbel village of Aswan Governorate, Upper Egypt, near the border of Sudan and 240 kilometers southwest of Aswan. Temples were built by Pharaoh Ramesses II. At the entry of the Great Temple or the Big Temple, there are 21-meter tall statues of Ramesses. The small temple are the temple of Nefertari, the queen of Ramesses II. The statue of queen is 10 meters high and the statue of the princess were shorter in height. Hope you enjoyed this video. Then like it, share it, comment on it, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.